This video I'll show you how to adapt a new low voltage battery. This is a 23 model, so it uses a 16 volt battery. It's a small battery in the front, not the big main battery. This is the low voltage battery. So once you replace it, you do have to learn it to the vehicle, basically adapt it. So I'll be using Toolbox software. It's about $75 a day or $150 for a month. And I have it already connected, set up on my laptop, so it's gonna be pretty easy on my side. But for you, you're still gonna have to set it up. You have to connect the Tesla Toolbox. It's pretty complicated. You have to follow the steps to connect it, and it gets a little tricky. So just good luck with that part. It's doable, but it will take some time. So after you get the toolbox, you're gonna need an Ethernet cable. And this is what it looks like. And there's gonna be a plug right there. So we're gonna plug it in here. Okay, just like that. My laptop does not have an Ethernet cable converter, so I'm gonna be using this converter from Amazon. So it's plugged in here into the USB. Then we're gonna, sorry about the light, it's just too much sun on this angle, so I'll try to do it like this. So we're gonna connect to the car. The beeping, I can't stop it, so if you don't like it, I can't help you. So the vehicle is connected. Then it's gonna give you Service Plus mode on the screen, so we're gonna enable it, and I'll kind of start over a little bit. So we're gonna go to power distribution, and then you would click learn new battery, and then you run the procedure. My battery is not charged right now, so I don't know if it's good or bad, so I'm not gonna do it. I've tried it, it won't pass. But this is how you would do it. Basically run that. The car was in an accident, so I'm getting a lot of error codes. The battery was charged, but right now I'm getting errors on it. It won't let me learn it to the car for some reason. It just won't work. It keeps telling me to replace it, so I'll gotta figure that out. But that's how you do it. I did not get the screen without connecting it to a toolbox. If the older ones, the older generation Model 3s, they might allow you to do it on the screen, but on the 23 it won't. I have to connect it to Toolbox, and then on the screen I'll get the Service Plus mode. Right here it's gonna say Service Plus mode, and you click on the battery, learn new battery, and it's pretty simple. So if this video helped you, definitely hit like, subscribe. I appreciate it. Have a good one.